Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Although after today, the price action is not necessarily the price action, but from a presentation standpoint, the chart's a little tricky because there's a perspective that goes into it. Meaning, if you're a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 90 seconds after buying, then yeah, for you the chart's looking pretty rough because sure, the price did pull back quite a bit today. But if you care about the big picture of things, meaning more than just 1 day or 2 days, then yeah, I get it. There was that pullback, but the bulls do still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base and therefore continue on with the current move that they've been establishing. And as far as that move is concerned, a very simplistic way to look at that is just if you want, you can just draw that a trend line such as that. So I'm not really a huge fan of yellow there. Let's just change this to another color. And we'll go with a blue. So, well, that didn't work. That was a fail. Let's try that again. There we go. So you could use that blue line, but as I talked about in yesterday's video, I went through all that hassle, and now I'm just going to delete that out of there. But what I would use in terms of kind of the quote-unquote trend line that's going to draw itself for you is that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Again, it'll draw itself for you. So that's why I like to call moving averages trend lines for lazy people, because that is a moving average. So that purple line is going to keep on moving itself higher and higher and higher. And like I said in past videos, as long as the price remains above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control of the current move. Again, this right here being defined as the move. So I reiterate all that because I get it. Depending on perspective, it may feel like, oh, today was a disaster, everything's ruined. But no, not everything's ruined. Sure, depending on your strategy, maybe it is ruined if you were a day trader and bought right there. But I am talking about in doing this analysis from a bigger perspective, not for somebody that was looking to buy and then sell within 90 seconds. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, that reminds me, I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that, because resistance levels at this point all about the pink line right there, which is the 200-period simple moving average, and you can see that is right where the price ultimately got rejected at today. So sure, today being the keyword, one individual day, not the best day, but when you look at multiple days here, you can see the bulls do still have an opportunity to build a higher base. So we'll see if they can get that job done or not tomorrow and close out the week strong. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.